Hello guys, I am CS Nagar and this is my 8th video. Exercise 2.2 is continue going on. Question number 11 to 18. In question number 11 to 18, find the values of each of the following function. First question 11. Tan inverse 2 times cos in the bracket 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. Let sin inverse 1 by 2 equal to theta, then sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 it means 30 degree, that is pi by 6. So therefore, on comparing, theta is equal to pi by 6 and which belongs to minus 92 plus 90, which is PVB of sin inverse. So in place of sin inverse 1 by 2, write pi by 6. So 2 and 6 cancel out, only pi by 3 remaining. Cos pi by 3 means 180 divided by 3, it means 60. Cos 60, value of cos 60, which is 1 by 2. Once again 2 and 2 cancel out, only 1 remaining. And tan inverse 1, that is pi by 4, which belongs to minus 92 plus 90, which is PVB of tan inverse x. Question number 12. Cot of tan inverse a plus cot inverse a. Since we know that tan inverse x plus cot inverse x, which is pi by 2, so here tan inverse a plus cot inverse a, which is pi by 2. So in place of tan inverse a plus cot inverse a, write pi by 2 and cot 90, which is 0. Next, question number 13. Tan 1 by 2 in the bracket sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square and cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square. Since we have the formula 2 times tan inverse x, which is sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square, and 2 times tan inverse y, which is cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square. So use this half the angle formula. So in place of sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square, sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus, write 2 times tan inverse x. So it is 2 tan inverse x and this is 2 tan inverse y. Now 2 common and cancel out. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, that is tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. Tan and tan inverse both cancel out, only x plus y upon 1 minus xy remaining. Next, question number 14. Sin of, in the bracket, sin inverse 1 upon 5 plus cos inverse x equal to 1. Let's see. Sin inverse 1 upon 5 plus sin inverse 1 upon 5 plus cos inverse x and sin transparent to, let's say, so it is sin inverse 1 and sin inverse 1, that is pi by 2, 90 degree. Now either you may transfer sin inverse 1 upon 5 on right side or cos inverse x on right side. If you transfer cos inverse x on right side, then this is pi by 2 minus cos inverse x, and since sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, which is pi by 2, so pi by 2 minus cos inverse x, that is sin inverse x. Sin inverse 1 upon 5 equal to sin inverse x, on comparing x is equal to 1 upon 5. Next, question number 15. If tan inverse x minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 upon x plus 2 equal to pi by 4, then find the value of x. Here tan inverse x plus y, use the formula. So write tan inverse once, this is x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. Tan inverse transferred to right side, so it is tan inverse, so it is only tan pi by 4, and next step it is only 1. Now take LCM. X minus 1 into x plus 2 plus x plus 1 into x minus 2, and this is LCM. LCMs cancel out. X minus 2 into x plus 2 transfer here. X minus 1 into x plus 2, this is their multiplication. X plus 1 and x minus 2, this is the multiplication, and this is x plus 2 and x minus 2, that is x square minus 4, and x plus 1 into x minus 1, which is x square minus 4. Here plus 2x and minus 2x cancel out, minus x and plus x cancel out, x square and x square, which is 2x square, minus 2 and minus 2, that is minus 4. In denominator, x square cancel out, minus 4 and plus 1, that is only minus 3. Minus 3 transfer into right side, and next step minus 4 transfer into right side, so only plus 1 remaining. Now 2 transfer on right side, so x square is equal to 1 by 2, then x is equal to plus minus 1 by root 2. Next, question number 16. Question number 16 and example number 9 both are same, but we have one more method. So question number 16, second method. Sin inverse of sin 2 pi by 3. Since sine 2 pi by 3 means pi 180, 180 divided by 3, it means only 60, 60 into 2, 120. Sine 120, it means 180 minus 60, that is sine 60, and value of sine 60 which is root 3 by 2. It means sine 2 pi by 3 which is root 3 by 2. So in place of sine 2 pi by 3, write root 3 by 2. Let sine inverse root 3 by 2 is equal to theta. Okay, 1 minute. This question is same as exercise 2.1, question number 1 to 10. So please revise exercise 2.1 also. So let sine inverse root 3 by 2 equal to theta. Then sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2, it means 60 degree. So it is sin pi by 3. On comparing, theta is equal to pi by 3, which belongs to minus 92 plus 90, which is PVB of sin inverse x. Same as question number 17. Tan inverse tan 3 pi by 4. Pi by 4, it means 45. 45 into 3 means 135. 135, it means 180 minus 45, and tan 180 minus 45, which is minus 45, minus tan 45, and 45, it means only 1, so it is minus 1. So in place of tan 3 pi by 4, write minus 1. Once again, let tan inverse minus 1 equal to theta. So tan theta is equal to minus 1. In place of 1, write pi by 4. Since PVB of tan inverse which is minus 92 plus 90, so we have to enter in fourth quadrant, and for fourth quadrant we have formula tan of minus theta which is minus tan theta. So in place of minus tan theta, write tan of minus theta. Now comparing, theta is equal to minus pi by 4, which belongs to open interval minus 92 plus 90, which is PVB of tan inverse. One more same question, question number 19, cos inverse cos 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6, pi by 6 means 30, 30 into 7, it means 210, 210, it means 180 plus 30, and cos 180 plus theta, which is minus cos theta, and cos 30, which is root 3 by 2, minus sign as it is. So in place of cos 7 pi by 6, write minus root 3 by 2, and suppose this is theta, so cos theta is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2, the value of root 3 by 2 in cos, which is pi by 6, cos pi by 6, pi by 6 means 30 degree. This is minus sign. Since PVB of cos inverse which is 0 to pi, first quadrant is positive, second is negative, so we have to enter in second quadrant. For second quadrant, we have formula of cos 180 minus theta, which is minus cos theta. So in place of minus cos theta, we have to write pi minus theta. So pi minus pi by 6, take LCM, so it will be 5 pi by 6. On comparing, theta is equal to 5 pi by 6, and which belongs to 0 to pi. 5 pi by 6, it means pi by 6, which is 30, 30 into 5, 150, and 150, which is between 0 to 180, which is PVB of cos inverse x. Now we have question number 18. Find the value of the following expression: tan inverse 3 upon 5 plus cot inverse 3 by 2. This is tan, and this is sin, and this is cot. So cot inverse 3 by 2, which is easily converted into tan inverse. So cot inverse 3 by 2, which is equal to tan inverse 2 by 3. Both are reciprocal of each other. But sin inverse convert into tan inverse. So let sin inverse 3 upon 5 equal to theta, then sin theta is equal to 3 upon 5. See in this right angle triangle, 3 upon 5, this is Pythagoras triplet, so base is only 4, and tan theta, which is 3 by 4, so theta is equal to tan inverse 3 by 4. Here theta is equal to tan inverse 3 by 4, and here theta is equal to tan inverse 3 upon 5. From equation number 1 and 2, we get sin inverse 3 upon 5, which is equal to tan inverse 3 by 4. So from equation number start, tan as it is, sin inverse 3 upon 5 plus cot inverse 3 by 2. In place of sin inverse 3 upon 5, write tan inverse 3 by 4. And cot inverse, in place of cot inverse, write tan inverse 3 by 2. Convert, it is 2 by 3. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, so use this formula, and you will get tan inverse 17 upon 6. Tan and tan inverse cancel out, only 17 by 6 remaining. One more, two questions, 20 and 21. 20 is sin of pi by 3 minus sin inverse 1 by 2. Since sin inverse minus x, which is equal to minus sin inverse x, so it is minus minus plus sin inverse 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 30 degree. This is 30 and this is 60. 30 plus 60, which is 90, and sin 90, that is 1. And last question of this exercise, tan inverse root 3 minus cot inverse minus root 3. Since cot inverse minus x, which is pi minus cot inverse x, so in place of cot inverse minus root 3, write pi minus cot inverse root 3. Open the bracket, so minus, and this is minus minus plus cot inverse root 3, which is 60 degree, and cot inverse root 3, that is 30 degree. Minus pi, as it is 60 and 30, that is 90 means pi by 2, and minus pi plus pi by 2, that is minus pi by 2. Okay, thank you. Revise all the questions.